Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect with Binance customer support, focusing on the most effective and official method. The live chat feature, available on both the Binance website and its mobile application, is your primary gateway to assistance. It offers a direct line to help, ensuring your queries are addressed securely and efficiently. Remember, always use official channels to protect your account and personal information from potential scams. To access support via the website, first log into your Binance account securely. Once logged in, look for a small chat bubble icon, typically positioned in the bottom right corner of your screen. Clicking this icon will open the live chat interface, initiating your support session. You can also directly visit the official Binance support chat page for immediate access, ensuring you are on the correct domain. For those using the Binance mobile application, the process is equally straightforward and convenient. Launch the app on your device and tap on your profile icon, which is usually found in the upper left-hand corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, select Help and Support, and then proceed to choose the chat option. This will seamlessly connect you to the same live support service, available 24 hours a day. When you initiate a chat, you will first interact with an advanced AI bot. Clearly describe your issue to the bot. It can often provide immediate solutions to common problems. If the bot cannot fully resolve your concern, you will be given the option to connect with a live customer service agent. Be ready to share any necessary details, such as screenshots or transaction ID, to help the agent assist you effectively and efficiently.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.